Good morning everyone and happy Wednesday. I hope you're ready for today's maths lesson. Let's start by looking at all of the numbers to 20. First we'll look at numbers to 10 and then I'll show you numbers to 20. As soon as you see the number, say what you can see. Off we go. 1, 8, 4, 7, 3, 10, 6, 2, 0, 9, 5. Okay, let's go to 20. 15, 17, 13, 20, 16, 14, 18, 11, 19, 12. If you need to practice some of those numbers again, just rewind and have another go. So let's quickly recap our learning objective for the week and the steps to success. So our learning objective is to find one more from a group of up to 5 objects and then 10 objects. To do this, we need to be looking at the numbers, counting, saying one more, and then checking. Some of the keywords we're using this week are number, more, count, quantity, and amount. Let's get going with today's lesson. Let's start by practicing our counting. Now to do this, we need to count how many planets we can see and then point to the correct number. Have a go at counting the planets on your own. Pause the video to give you some time to count. Okay, how many did you find? Let's have a go at counting them all together. Now I'm going to put a little line through each planet as I count it so I know that it's already been counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have put a line through all of the planets so I know I've counted all of them and I counted to number 15. Which numeral is 15? It's this one, our number of the week. A 1 and a 5 sitting together is 15. Now for this activity, you need to count the stars and find out which rectangle has got 15 stars, our number of the week. Can you find which one has 15? Count the stars and then tell your grown-up. Pause the video to give yourself some time. Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 are here. A 1 and a 3 sitting together is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our number of the week. Here are 15 stars, so this was the winning rectangle. Let's check how many are here. It looks like there are less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We were right, it was this one that had 15 stars. Which section has got the most? It's 15, well done. Which section has the least? 7 is the least. Good counting. Okay, now we're going to have a go at exploring the learning objective for today. All you'll need for this is either a pen and paper to write down the answer or your number flashcards. So get what you need and join me ready for today's activity. Let's start by counting how many stars are on the tens frame. 1, 2, 3. I've started with 3 and our learning objective is to find one more. So let's put down one more star and count to find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you show your grown-up the answer? One more than 3 is 4. Let's try another one. Let's start by counting how many stars there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've started with 5 stars on my tens frame. How many more do I need to add? One more, because our learning objective is to find one more. Let's count to find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either write down the answer or show your grown-up the right flashcard. One more than 5 is 6. Okay, let's try another one. How many stars have started on my rocket? You count them. You're right, there are 7 stars in my tens frame. How many more do we need to add? One more. And to find out how many are all together, we're going to count them. Have a go at counting them on your own first. Okay, and our turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either write it down or show your grown-up number 8. One more than 7 is 8. And time for the last one. How many stars are on my rocket? There are 9 stars in my tens frame, and we're going to add one more. The tens frame is full. Let's count to find out how many there are. One more than 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more than 9 is 10. Okay, we've had our turn, which means it's over to you for challenge time. I'm challenging you to go away and make your very own tens frame rocket. If you found it a little bit too tricky working with numbers to 10, then just make a 5 frame. So you just need to have one strip with 5 squares. If you're quite comfortable working with numbers to 10, have a go doing a tens frame and then challenge yourself to work with numbers to 20. All you need to do for that is to do another tens frame underneath. All I needed to make my tens frame was a piece of paper and some colours. You don't even need to colour it in, but I thought it would be nice for me to colour it in so I can keep and use this throughout the topic. You can use whatever you like to put onto your tens frame. It doesn't have to be stars like I used. You could use other things such as snipped up pieces of paper. You could draw little alien faces to stick on or to put on, whatever you would prefer. Be as creative as you want to be. Now tomorrow, when we explore the learning objective again, we're not going to be using resources to help us find the answer. We're just going to be relying on our number knowledge and from all of the practice we've had this week, finding one more than. So make sure you've really explored this challenge and you're confident at finding one more than a number ready for tomorrow's lesson. See you tomorrow, everyone. Bye. So here are your chilly challenges. Now you can choose whether you're going to explore numbers to 5, 10, 20 or even more than 20. Once you've decided which numbers you're going to explore, have a look at completing the following chilly challenge. You can choose which chilly challenge you want to do, but remember if you find it a little bit easy, move on to the next one. Chilly 1. Tell your grown-up the answer to one more than a given number. Chilly 2. Identify the correct number once you've found the answer. So if you find one more than 8 is 9, show your grown-ups number 9. And chilly 3, I think one more than 16 is 18. Am I right or am I wrong? How do you know? See if you can prove it. Bye everyone, enjoy your chilli challenges and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.